Hi, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. I'm here in my shop with Mike Snyder from Snyder Guitars. After doing my classical and my acoustic guitar building courses, I've been asked many times to do electric guitar building courses. And I've invited Mike Snyder from Snyder Guitars. He is the true expert on electric guitars. Throughout this course, he's going to be guiding us through the design, the building, the finishing, and the setup of an electric guitar. So Mike, why don't you tell us a little bit about the guitars that we're going to build. I say guitars because we're going to be building 2 guitars in this course. So tell us what we're going to be building.
Okay, thanks Robbie. We're going to do a pretty simple, basic Telecaster style guitar with a bolt-on neck, a Telecaster bridge, and we're going to do a more advanced, complicated Les Paul style guitar with a carved top and a set neck, binding, and things like that. So those are the 2 guitars. We're going to build something really simple and something more complex. And I'm going to show you how to design them from scratch as well. So if you want to copy an existing guitar, there's tons of plans out there that you can use plans to do that with. But I'm going to show you how to design it from scratch as well. And if you follow everything in this video, it'll be really easy for you to use existing plans as well to make whatever you want.
So you're probably asking yourself, what kind of tools and how many am I going to need to build the guitars that we're going to do here in the course? And I get this question all the time through my classical, my acoustic guitar building courses. The first thing I recommend is you don't buy anything, no materials and no tools. I want you to watch the video completely, all the way through. That way you can see the tools that we use, and perhaps you already have a lot of these tools, or you have alternative ways or methods that you can do the same step. So Mike, what do you recommend for us?
Yeah, it's hard to say. There are so many different ways to do everything building a guitar that it really, like Robbie said, watch the video first and see what you think. I think you're probably going to want a good block plane and learn how to sharpen it. You're going to need a lot of sandpaper. You're going to want a router.
Good set of bench chisels.
Some chisels.
Pretty standard stuff. I mean, there's nothing. For example, when you get to your nut files or fretting work, perhaps you want to get some specialty stuff. But until then, I think just standard basic woodworking tools. Yep. But watch the video. Don't go buy anything just yet.
Watch the whole thing first.
And Mike's going to show us several ways of doing things. He'll show you how to do the same step with hand tools, with power tools. That way you get a good, well-rounded approach to how to do a step. For the materials in this course, we're going to be using materials we got from Luthiers Mercantile International, or LMI. They offer electric guitar building kits. Now, the word kit is a misnomer. It's just a box of lumber and other supplies. Nothing's been pre-done for you. You have to do it all. There's a basic Strat Telecaster type kit that you can get. There's also the more advanced Les Paul type kit that you can get. Mike is going to make some changes to the kits and the materials we're going to use. And he'll explain in the course why we're making these changes and what those changes are. Now, to build with the LMI materials, you don't need to make the changes. You can use exactly what comes in the kit and build a great guitar.